So I got a frog gigging spear and then this cordage maker kit. So you can make the cordage out of the bottle and then be able to use that to like tie your spearhead on, then you warm it over the fire and it's like cinches. Yeah. What do you got going on? You got a... Oh, that's good. And we're gonna head down to the pond and see who wins the 2 frog challenge. Everybody knows the rules? There are no rules. The first 2 frogs wins.
4 man enters, 1 man leaves.
Yeah. Whoever the last one to get their 2 frogs, they're sleeping out with the mosquitoes. What, the crazy guy? Yeah. Are you going in there?
We can hear the frogs mocking us. But we cannot find them. Continue the hunt.
Oh, film me scaring them off. Come on. Look.
Uh-oh, he hit him in the beak. What does it look like, folks?
I don't feel anything moving, so I don't
All
think
right.
I got it.
That might have been a critical blow. It was a natural 20.
I don't want to pull it up and have
Malcolm, take your shoes off.
I must have just nipped him. Darn. Alright, well maybe they're starting to come out now that it's getting darker. Oh. Alright, I guess Chris wins it. Unless somebody else can get more than 1 frog. He definitely got the first frog prize. Nice job. Nice job.
Frog race or something.
Yeah. Get some of the mud off.
We really got some penetration on it.
That worked. Good job. Got it. Look at that. Ha ha! Look at that. There we go. Now that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeehaw. That's a successful hunt right there. All right, look away if you're squeamish. So it really doesn't take much with this Grim card thing. Like you really only have to just touch them and it goes right through. And that even that small frog, I pinned him through 2 legs and there was nothing there. Couple cattails, frog legs. What's up, Doc? Little cattail?
Hey, beautiful day in Maine. Change my socks. Underwear. And go eat.
So we decided to save our frog legs from yesterday for this morning. We're gonna make bacon wrapped frog legs. Good.
Yeah, so what's the cabinet one for it? Yeah, like this looks like a.
It's Chris, the cameraman.
I just got my multi-tool out. There we go. Oops, I did not mean to throw that in the pan. Oh, this is gonna be yummy. I don't know if this is a thing, but I think you can pretty much wrap anything in bacon and make it a thing, so that's what we're doing. Get them all ready. I'll throw them all right on there. All right. Boom. Light the whole forest on fire. Look at that. Beautiful. It's like something they'd serve you at a fancy restaurant, though.
Uh-oh, I got a wobbly.
So I just want to make sure the meat is okay.
Oh, yeah.
The meat's falling right off the bone.
The bacon hoof?
You know, man, the hook. Oh, man.
Eat it. I ate mine. Chris ate his. They're good. Change it, and we'll like just
Ugh, now it's time for me to try this hideous looking frog leg.
Hey, is that something in the woods? I don't know.
I guess I'm cut out for it. We'll see.
No, he's gonna come down to New Hampshire.
Oh, I got this big giant piece.
Like
Oh,
an hour from your house.
Right?
Wouldn't be that bad. The White Mountains? What is it?
ugh. Keep chewing, keep chewing. What is that, a vein? Oh my, is that a
Depends on where you
vein?
are. No,
Or a
maybe 2
what?
hours. But yeah, because it's like they're all slow roads. So through
Keep
town, so
chewing.
it's not that easy. Yeah,
Oh,
if it
I
was
think I
highway,
just
it would be
swallowed
an
some.
hour, literally, but
I'm grossed out right about now.
I mean, it's almost a 45-minute drive just to get to the highway from here, and then it's
Let me eat some egg, see if I can dilute the taste.
Chris, you want some more bacon?
I'll take
Gross.
one
What the hell is that? Is that a vein? Or a
Look like
frickin'
that,
worm?
guys.
What did you
Oh, I might have to spit this out.
Or one, usually, so.
Well, I guess I'm not French, that's for sure.
So, like, It takes.
Again, guys, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Like this video, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next one.